What's up, you guys? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. What's up, you guys? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. All right, you guys, Arvel, the Fit Realtor. What up, y'all? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. We're getting ready to get it in. It's hot, hot, hot out here. We're gonna see what we could do. Your favorite fisherman's favorite realtor. We gonna get it in. And we're back. Arvel, the Fit Realtor, Perris Lake, California fishing, y'all. We back at Perris Lake. Saturday. Feel good. It's about 5:30. The wind is blowing. Feels real good out here. So we about to hit this water. We about to take this walk. We parking in lot 11. We about to walk to lot 12. And we'll see y'all when we get there. What's up, y'all? We back. We found a good spot over here. East side of the lake. About 200 yards from the personal boat launch where all the kayaks get launched. We over here. So anyway, we on the east side. We about to bait up. Actually, we gonna bait up with the bluegill poles first because I forgot to fillet the mackerel and chop it up. So I'm about to do that. But the kids getting their bluegill poles ready. Here we go. All right, y'all, predictions. What you got, Bob?
I think we're going to catch some bluegill and catfish.
What's your predictions, Bear?
I think we're going to catch some bluegill, some catfish, and a bass.
There it is, y'all. Bluegill and catfish for the day. We out here, Perris Lake, California. All right, you guys, we left the house without filleting the mackerel on accident. So here we go. I'm about to fillet this mackerel up for you so we get one of these big cats today. Here we go. Now this is fresh mackerel, you guys, from the fish shop. So move this to the side real quick. And we just gonna cut this mackerel up into chunks. Fresh mackerel works the best, you guys. Now the other side. Go, and we just throw it in the bag. fresh mackerel chunks, you guys. The skin is tough, so it won't fall off the hook. And we on. All right, y'all, I got that mackerel cut up. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. So here we go, first cast. First cast. We're gonna try over here for this one. The bass are out there jumping, chasing the little bait fish. We might have to throw a lure on. All right, you guys, here's our setup. We got mackerel on the gray pole. Kids got their bluegill bobbers out there. We got a big, fat, juicy earthworm on the white pole, out deep. And we got mackerel on the green pole. Look like the bass are chasing the little bait fish around the lake. We keep seeing them jump. So it's a little action out here. I didn't throw a lure on yet though. Reel it in, Bobby. Step down. Come here, kid. Step down. Keep the pole head high. Okay, go get the net. Is it reeling? Oh, because the drag. Tighten the drag up. Twist it to the right. Twist the drag to the right. 7 o'clock, you guys. We done lost 2 fish already. One off the mackerel, one off of the fat night crawler. Kimani said it was tugging real hard. It was real big. Must have ran into some bushes. And there you have it. It's a done deal. Took our gear. But we're about to get back out there and live another day. It's the side we've been getting all the action on right here, you guys. I just recast the gray pole to my right. No action over here. We done lost 2 from over here already. Let's see what happens. Look how low the water level is though, you guys. Last year, the water was like up to where this little bank is. That's probably about 20 yards worth of water. Crazy. The boats are leaving, so it's calming down. Feeling good out here, you guys. Yeah, listen to that. Sound of the waves. Real calming while we wait for these fish to bite. Hanging out with the waves. Feel good out here. Yeah. Arvel to Fit Realtor. Relaxation. Sun is setting, you guys. I know you can't tell in the video, but the sun is setting. We're getting ready for this night bite. There it is. See you when we get there, the night bite. something on there?
Oh, yeah. What? What?
Look, you guys, moon coming up over the mountain, YouTube. The moon is coming up over the mountain. Now, hopefully these fish come up with the moon. Coyotes in the background. That's the full moon dance right there. Full moon dance. There it is. Bear and Bob. Full moon dance coming up over the mountain. Fish, fish, here we come.
Man, I can't swim.
It's 8 o'clock, you guys. We out here trying to make it happen. We got about 2 hours to go to fish. Hopefully that big one come through. Yeah, yeah. What you got, Kimani?
I think I got a bluegill. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Okay, a little one.
Yeah.
You caught some bait.
Yep.
Good stuff. What's up, you guys? Arvel the Fit Realtor. We've been out here since 5:30. It's 10 o'clock. We're getting ready to roll to the parking lot. Long walk ahead of us. We had 2 good bites. Got a little small bluegill. But the big one did not show up tonight. But we out of here. Until next time, Arvel the Fit Realtor. Peace.